How to favorite channels for quick access on YouTube TV. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to favorite channels on YouTube TV for quick access. Favoriting channels creates a special list that makes it easier and faster to jump to your most watched stations without scrolling through the entire guide. Let's learn how to do it. To favorite channels on YouTube TV, you can usually do this directly within the YouTube TV app on most devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, and mobile devices. The process is generally similar across platforms. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Navigate to the Live TV guide. You can usually find the guide by selecting Live from the main menu. While browsing the Live guide, find the channel you want to favorite. Highlight or select the channel name in the guide. Once the channel is highlighted or selected, look for an option to favorite or add it to your favorites. On most smart TVs and streaming devices, you might see an option appear on the screen, or you might need to press a specific button on your remote, like an Options or Star button, to bring up a menu with the favorite option. On mobile devices, tapping on a channel might bring up details or a menu with the option to favorite. Select the favorite option. A small icon, often a star, will usually appear next to the channel name in the guide, indicating that it has been favorited. Now, to access your favorited channels quickly, go back to the Live TV guide. There should be an option at the top of the guide or in a filter menu to view only your favorites. Selecting this option will filter the guide to show only the channels you have favorited, making it much quicker to browse and select the channels you watch most often. You can add or remove channels from your favorites list at any time by following the same steps and selecting the Unfavorite option. We hope this video showed you how to favorite channels for quick access on YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and guides.